In this video, I'll show you how to set up Steam Link on your device so you can play your PC games on your mobile phone. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices, and the setup process is a very simple once everything is completed. First, we will start on desktop and then move over to your phone. First, go to your computer and open the Steam application. Wait for the Steam app to load, and once your Steam is successfully opened, just go to the top left corner and look for the option labeled as Steam. Just click on Steam and click on Settings. From here, you will find an option labeled as Remote Play. Just search for Remote Play, which is usually on the bottom side, and click on it and make sure Enable Remote Play is toggled on. And once it's toggled on, let's move over to our mobile phone. Now that we are back on our mobile phone, just click on Play Store and open your Play Store or App Store depending on your mobile phone. And just go to the search bar and search for Steam Link. And as you can see, Steam Link will be available on the top option. Just click on Install and wait for it to be installed on your device. After installation, just click on Open and click on Allow. From here, just click on Get Started. The first time you open it, the app may ask for a few permissions such as network access, and it is recommended to allow this permission because they help the app to detect your computer more easily. And as you can see, I have successfully got my desktop here, but if you don't see your computer here, just click on other computer and you can just directly type this pin in your desktop and you will be good to go. But in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the desktop that is being displayed. And now it will ask you to enter this pin in your computer. Just type this exact pin and your device will be authorized. And as you can see, we have successfully authorized, and now it will start testing our network. And you can just click on OK or you can just click on cancel. Network test help determine how smoothly your games will stream in your device. After the test is complete, you will be able to click on OK and you can just start playing from here directly. Before starting, you can adjust a few settings. On the top right corner, tap the settings icon, and from here you can choose the computer that you want to connect. If you have more than one, you can also go to the controller section to pair a physical controller with your phone. Some people prefer using a controller because it can make gameplay easier than using touch screen control. You can also open streaming settings from here like so and adjust things like streaming quality, resolution and performance. And now that everything is set up, you can just click on start playing. In the top, you will see the games that are available for playing, and it will only show the games on the top that are already available on your computer. You can always use X, A, B and Y to control or select things like so, and you can even just click on the three dot on your top left and you can turn on mouse controller or you can use trackpad like so. Now we can successfully use our mouse as you are seeing right now, and you can even control layout settings, and there are many options. Just tweak it to your liking till you find your sweet spot. And to stop streaming, just click on the power icon, and from here you can just stop the game or you can stop the streaming completely. Just click on stop streaming to close the game, and that's it. That's how you set up Steam Link in your devices. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.